Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to change the host in Zoom. This is useful when we need to hand over meeting controls to another participant. Let's get started. On the Zoom meeting dashboard, when we are on a call and want to change the host, all we need to do is click on Participants. This will show everyone in the meeting. If we want to make someone else the host, all we need to do is click or hover the mouse over their name. We will see 3 horizontal lines appear next to their name. Click on that and then select Make Host. The selected participant will now become the new host of the meeting. A confirmation box will appear, and we just need to confirm the change. The new participant is now the host and will be hosting the meeting on Zoom. That's how we change the host in Zoom. It's a simple process, and we can do it whenever we need to hand over control.